Heavy.
Hey guys, for guys who want to do for 5, I'm opening up my 2009 Top Sterling. I have had unluck with this shit, the same John Lester I have, and the 2 stupid Signet cuts. So hopefully I could get something good. Cover that up. Tony Perez 50. Crap again. And this is going to be batting champions. That could be pretty good. That was the same stone I got last time. Oh my god.
Yankee.
Don Manley. No autograph. And Ty Cobb. Alright. Alright. Ty Cobb and Don Mattingly. So the Ty Cobb auto and the Ty Cobb bat. Ty Cobb strikes twice. Alright, not as bad as I thought. The second one made it up. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, let me know for any deals, comments, please subscribe. I got the 250 sub contest. Thanks a lot guys, bye.